Amazon has quietly removed one of the most useful Firestick shortcuts, and I have no idea why. This is one of those small changes that sounds minor at first, but if you regularly clean up your device, uninstall apps, or free up storage, it makes the whole process much more annoying. The strange thing is that I am seeing this not just on the new Fire TV layout, but also on my Fire TV Cube, which has not even received the new home screen update yet. This suggests it might not just be a UI change, but something Amazon has removed more broadly. Let me show you exactly what has changed on TechVibes. Go to Settings, then Applications, and select Manage Installed Applications. This is where you can see every app currently installed on your Fire Stick. Previously, this menu had two incredibly useful remote shortcuts. When you highlighted an app, you could press the play-pause button on your remote to quickly uninstall that app. You could also press the rewind button to quickly clear that app's cache. That meant you could move through your app list and clean things up very quickly. You did not have to open every single app one by one. It was simple, fast, and genuinely useful. But now, those shortcuts appear to be gone on my devices. Pressing play pause no longer brings up the uninstall option. Pressing rewind no longer clears the cache. The ability to uninstall apps and clear cache is still there, but the quick shortcuts seem to have been removed. What used to be a single button press now takes several extra clicks. If you are only dealing with one app, that might not sound like a big deal. But if you are cleaning up a Fire Stick with a long list of installed apps, the process is much slower than it used to be. If you want to uninstall an app or clear cache now, you have to do it the long way. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, and then select the app you want to manage. Inside that individual app menu, you will see options like Force Stop, Clear Cache, Clear Data, and Uninstall. If you want to remove the app completely, select Uninstall. If a specific app has built up a large cache, select Clear Cache. Be careful here though, do not press Clear Data because that can reset the app, remove your saved settings, and sign you out of your account. I am not saying you need to clear the cache on every single app, as cache can actually be useful for loading speeds. The main priority is still removing apps you no longer use. However, if an app is misbehaving and has built up a huge cache, you now have to open that app's specific menu to fix it. Amazon has not removed the cleanup options completely, but they have removed the quick remote shortcuts that made the process much easier. At first I thought this was just connected to the new home screen update. However, since I noticed it on my Fire TV Cube, which still uses the older interface, I suspect this is linked to a wider software update. I need your help with this because I am trying to figure out if this is linked to specific models, software versions, or even different regions. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, highlight any app, and try using the play pause and rewind buttons on your remote. If the shortcuts still work for you, let me know. If they have disappeared, tell me that as well. Please include your Fire Stick model, whether you have the new home screen, and what country you are in. Amazon has not removed the functionality, but removing those quick shortcuts is another example of Fire TV becoming less convenient. I will keep testing this across my other devices and let you know if this is a bug or a permanent change. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to TechVibes, turn on notifications, and share this with anyone you know who uses a Fire Stick. Leave a comment below and tell me if those shortcuts are still working for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.